The National Shrine of Saint Padre Pio in Santo Tomas, Batangas, Philippines is a prominent pilgrimage site dedicated to the Italian Saint Padre Pio of Pietrelcina. It's a popular destination for devotees seeking healing, miracles, and peace of mind. A brief history of the shrine. The shrine's origins can be traced back to a small chapel along Maharlika Highway in Barangay San Pedro, Santo Tomas. This chapel served the 10 barangays under the pastoral care of the St. Thomas Aquinas Parish in the poblation of Santo Tomas. Following Padre Pio's canonization in 2002, the first of his first-class relics was entrusted to the proposed parish, marking a significant turning point. On June 28, 2003, the parish of St. Padre Pio of Pietrelcina was officially established, becoming the first parish in the Philippines under the patronage of the Capuchin saint. The growing number of devotees and parishioners led to the donation of a 1.6-hectare agricultural land in Barangay San Pedro, where a new and larger church was built. Groundbreaking ceremonies took place in 2006, and a temporary chapel was erected at the new site. In 2008, the parish church was elevated to the Archdiocesan Shrine of St. Padre Pio. The main parish church was dedicated to God on September 23, 2013, the feast day of St. Padre Pio of Pietrelcina. The Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines (CBC) declared the shrine a national shrine on September 14, 2015, making it the first in the province of Batangas and the Calabarzon region. Architectural features and design. The National Shrine of Saint Padre Pio is renowned for its unique blend of modern and indigenous architectural elements. The main church is constructed primarily from local materials like wood, stone, bamboo, sasa nipa leaves, and sawali woven bamboo strips. The roof's shape resembles a salakot, a traditional Filipino hat worn by farmers and fishermen. The open structure of the church allows for easy access and a welcoming atmosphere inside. A large replica of the Glorious Cross hangs, symbolizing the Archdiocese of Lipa during the Jubilee year 2000. The cross, altar, table, and lectern are crafted from driftwood, complementing the church's overall design, significance, and impact. The National Shrine of Saint Padre Pio has become a significant landmark in Santo Tomas and Batangas, attracting thousands of visitors, particularly pilgrims from surrounding towns, provinces, and even overseas. The shrine has also played a role in promoting religious tourism in the region. The shrine's unique architectural design, its devotion to Saint Padre Pio, and its diverse religious activities have made it a popular destination for those seeking spiritual solace, healing, and a connection to the divine. It serves as a testament to the enduring faith and devotion of the Filipino people, and its influence extends beyond the local community, drawing pilgrims from far and wide.
solemnidad ng banal na misa, pakilagay po sa silent
Mga bata dapat dito para may energy. Sasamahan ng mga matatanda.
Hindi, kung ayaw nyo, si Paul ang nilalagay namin. Si Paul. Emergent. Wala, hindi nakasama si Kuya Joseph.
Bigyan tayo. Parang solo na.
Salamat ako.
Sakristian ba yun?
Sakristian ba yun? Boy. Uy, kaganda ng picture lang.
Thank you, Lord. Ha?
Kuya Billy, kasama ba to? Sabi ni Perry ko, kasama ba to?
Ay, hindi ko.
Ang tagal na dito.
Ayaw.
Tayo na lang yung ginamit pero sa relation nyo. Yes,
sigurado baka mamaya marami siyang babagsak sa kanya. Ay, sayang naman.
Sayang naman.
Opo.
Grabe pera. Tingin lang. Nakangit yan na.
April 19. Kaya ito mo, 750. Pero kita mo kaya,
Yung lawak nung ano na yun. Tawag sa swamp. Pwede natin dito.
Karit.
Times.
Walang hektarya ba yung kuya? Isa ano? 8 hectares ba yun?
Sino yung fan? Nagsabing this is the moment. Sino yan? Raymond Grospe. Concert at the Shrine.
St. Teresa.
Hindi mo kilala.
Basta supported yung diocese.
Raymond Grospe.
Ilang naman ang happy. Joan Chan. Kaya nakita ko mga idang kanina. Mga napink ng makiat.
Ate, kilala mo tong Santa?
Server pa kami. Meron malaki sa tripilyo.
Eating time.
Simbahan lang na chapel lang. Maganda structure. Glass.
Pwede naman na rin natin sa tayo.
Necessary.
Yung mga question na.
Ng portion. Yung shrine of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Tapos, ano na, may mga santo ng Carmel. Sa Padre P, meron isang sariling lugar ng Padre P. Iya, devoted to
Divine Grace.
Divine Mercy na shrine.
Isapin mo. Ang plato. Katunay na naubos ang plato. tumapat ang plato.